got your finger, Dad. So let me go. I got the hiccups. I got them. First I spit up and now I got the hiccups. So I got my first feeding today. I got it. Huh? She's not interested.
No, she's
too busy having hiccups. It's very hard to have hiccups. They're very annoying. She had hiccups a lot when she's in my belly too, so. Oh, little Maggie. Her hands are so big compared to her. I know, like, you can totally encompass her whole head. Oh, I know. We don't like the hiccups. We don't like them, Daddy. We don't at all. And someday we'll teach you how to hold your breath.
We're scared, huh?
No. My mommy does that. I hate that. She's been doing that stuff little. Say we had our feeding. We did okay. Then we spit it up. So now I'm probably hungry again. So we'll see. We'll get more food at about 9:30. Yeah. And hopefully Mom will be able to pump before then, so we'll have a little bit for you. There we go.